Crush 1 teaspoon of mustard seed to a fine powder. Once your mustard seed is ground, you will mix it with 1/8 teaspoon of ground turmeric and 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, homemade. Next, we're going to prepare our lemon, red pepper, green onion, and garlic. Add the garlic, ginger, and red pepper to 4 tablespoons of olive oil and brown slightly. Add the shrimp and continuously stir until shrimp turn pink. Add your mustard seed paste. Turn down the heat to medium-low and continue to stir. Add your salt, pepper, and lemon juice. Stir and fry for another 2 minutes. Cover in sauce and garnish with green onion prepared earlier, and enjoy.